it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably all this money or the cars only parking. I've been eating good.
What a Smart Rapper gang, you guys know I only talk to you about things that I know are gonna help you when you're about to go into 2020. Which means that I know, because you're a smart rapper, that you're telling yourself, 2020 is my year. It's what I'm telling myself. I know it is, and it can be for you too if you really have the work ethic. Well, you know, if you want 2020 to be your year, you need to evolve to industry level stuff. No more of this low end stuff, okay? Everything needs to be high end. You need to upgrade. You need to just evolve if you want 2020 to be your year, and you need to get the stuff that's gonna help you do that. So, with that being said, congratulations to the lucky few who got their hands on the rapper shortcut before it was gone, okay? Congratulations on taking that opportunity. There's a wait list for it right now if you guys want to join that. Anyways, check this out. What I'm about to tell you and show you that you can do might be the easiest move that you can make for 2020 to be a whole different year for you. If you watch to the end of this video, this video, I'm gonna give you $200 in stuff for free.
Wow.
So watch to the end, because that's how much it matters, okay? Kendrick Lamar, Snoop Dogg, G-Eazy, E40, Tech Nine, French Montana. The list goes on and on. Now you're probably like, Rob, shut up. Why are you saying the names of random superstar rappers? I'm saying them because these artists have the level of production quality with their beats that they need to be at that level. That's one of the main things that sets them apart. It's that level of quality that's gonna set you apart from every other rapper who's using a random beat that they find on the internet made by some 16-year-old kid in their mom's basement. There's a difference. And I also mention these names because Kendrick Lamar, Snoop Dogg, 2 Chainz, all these people, these are artists who my boys over at Legion Beats, especially Gabe, one of my good friends, they've worked with these artists, okay? These are A-list artists, top dogs, okay? And then to say Kendrick Lamar, Snoop Dogg, I mean, top dogs is stupid. I'm not even purposefully saying these stupid things. But the thing is always like, these are, to even work with Kendrick, top 10 rapper, think with Snoop, legendary. How much do you think it would cost to get that level of quality and beat production? Let's say, how much would you pay for 100 beat leases? My boys make beats at this level. How much would you pay as an upcoming artist to have that level, that shift level of your beat production jump like that?
Videos.
I am shooting videos. How much do you think 100 beat leases for them would be? Platinum level production beat makers. Don't forget, I'm gonna give you $200 and stuff at the end of this video, so keep watching. I wouldn't pay $1,000, and I wouldn't recommend you guys to either, and that's at $10 a beat. I honestly, maybe $500. 100 beats for $5 a piece. But still, even $500 sounds like it's a lot. Like, it's a lot, but it's a lot of beats. And what if I told you, you don't have to pay $5,000, you don't have to pay $1,000, you don't have to pay $500. My boy Gabe right now and Legion Beats are having a Christmas special that ends on Friday at midnight, and they're giving away all the beats that they made this year. 100 beats. But wait, there's also another 25 beats, okay? You get leases for all of them. 125 beats.
What? What?
And these come with leases that you can use. It means you can make a song, you can put them on Spotify, you can put them anywhere and monetize them, make money from them, okay? You actually have a real lease to this. All of them. Screw the $1,000, screw the $500, screw $100. This deal is absurd. He's giving you guys 125 beats for $17.
It's nothing. This shit right here, this shit.
I'm done. $17. Are you kidding me? I need to start writing on this board. Comment below if you guys think I should make more videos on the whiteboard. 125 beats. God, that is insane. Only $17.
Oh God.
That doesn't even look real. That damn near looks like a scam. It's not, obviously. That's it. 125 from super producers. $17. Go get this. There's more. Because I told Gabe, look, bro, I'm your homie. We're cool. If I'm going to offer them something, I need to give them more than what you give everybody else. And we're boys, so hook me up. So guess what he did? He threw in another 40 beats. Oh man, oh man. You're going to get 165 beat leases. $17 freaking dollars. Since I was like, yo, I gotta make a video for this. I thought I was gonna email this to people. I'm gonna make a video for this. $17 for 165 beats. I wish this stuff existed when I started rapping. This is crazy. And just so you know, that means that each beat lease is only 10.3 cents. You're getting 165 beat leases for 10.3 cents each. They usually sell beat leases for $25 to $50. You're getting them for 10 cents. The people who paid for these beats all year. I'm not trying to be mean, but like, yo, what? Even if you only use one beat out of all 165 freaking beats, you only paid $17 for it. That's less than a lease. If you only used one of these beats, it would be worth paying for the one lease, but you get 165. A normal lease is more than $20. You only need to like one of these beats and make a song to it for it to have paid for itself. This is stupid. You'd be insane not to do this. You don't think you're gonna make at least 2 songs? It's the more songs you make to these, you're already making money back. You make one song to this and a normal beat lease is 25 bucks, right? You make one song, you've already made $8. Because you're 25. Make 3 songs out of, you're gonna make more than that many. You're probably gonna make at least 10 songs out of these. That means you're realistically getting $250 worth of beat leases. You're definitely, now you don't have to buy them. And you can start off 2020 and start putting your music on Spotify, no problem. Legally, no problem. This is how you're gonna start off 2020, right? This in a rapper shortcut, this is how you do it. This could be the thing that changes 2020 for you. Simply updating, upgrading, evolving the production quality level of your music. Did you ever even think about that? That's the same reason I had a producer come here in April and we sat here for 3 weeks straight. All we did was make beats and I made songs. Because I had an in-house producer and that evolved me. All the songs you're hearing, Shark Tank, Built Like This, Wait We Trapped, and a bunch of the other songs you're hearing coming out, my style evolved because my beats evolved.
Yeah.
The beats are, my beats are now crazy. That was the thing I was missing. And it might be the thing that you're missing. But look, check this out. It doesn't matter. I know some of you don't have $17. So what he's gonna do is this. Even if you click below, you click the link in the description, even if you just go to the link in the description, he's gonna give you 10 beats, 100% free. He's gonna give you 10 beats with leases. You can make songs to them, free. Okay, that's the $200 gift I was talking about. Just to check it out, just to go look at it. Click the link below, he's gonna give you 10 beats. You don't have nothing to lose.
Do it.
Just go look at it. Just click the link, get the free beats. Just look at it. $17, man. And these guys are well known. These guys have credits with everybody in the industry. These guys have platinum records. Like, quit playing. And the way I look at it, you're not paying anything for this because you only need to make one song and it pays for itself. If you make one song and that song accumulates 4,000 streams on like Spotify over the course of the next 2 years or whatever, which it will, because I'm gonna show you, just got my marketing and my help. 4,000 streams pays for this. You tell me you're not gonna get 4,000 streams on your song? Shut up, this pays for itself. $17, bro, I can't even circle this enough. I need to start using other colors to start circling this bitch. 165 beats for $17. This doesn't even seem real, it's like I'm dreaming. You will never see a deal like this. This shit don't exist, and I'm giving you, because it's me, because it's you, because he knows, and because me and him are cool, you get an extra 40 beats, dude. And it all rhyme for you too. Look at it, right? Go get this. It's $17. Anybody can afford this.
Do it.
If you can't, tell your mom, hey, mom, throw this in for me for Christmas. It's $17. $17. And if not, just go get your free beats. Just go check it out. Just for looking at it, you get free beats. You have until Friday at midnight to get your hands on this. And again, this could be the thing that changes 2020 for you. It even possibly being the thing that makes the difference is worth a $17 investment into yourself. You're not spending money, you're investing money into yourself. And I guarantee you're gonna make money back on it. You only need to make one song. Get 4,000 streams. Friday at midnight, 165 beats. 10.3 cents a beat. I love this whiteboard. I love it. Again, comment below if you guys think I should keep using the whiteboard. I just feel I'm more energized when I'm on this. And you can visually see it. I don't know, I like it. Let me know in the comments. I mean, 10.3 cents a beat. You know what, just thinking about it. Actually. Okay, I happen to have $700 in my pocket. Bro, if I could, give me 7,000 beats for 10 cents each. This is how valuable this is. I would get 7,000 beats for this much money. That's actually insane when you think about it.
Oh, God.
7,000 beats, I could make songs forever. But you get 165, $17. Click the link below, get your free beats, even if you don't want to get the deal, go get the free beats. Be a smart rapper, really. I mean, even a stupid rapper would do this. The dumbest rapper would do this, and you're a smart rapper. $17, 17. You're not losing anything. You're not losing anything here. Even just the experience of being able to go through the beats is worth $17, let alone the fact that you get the leases to make music to. Come on. I only show you guys things that I really believe in. I don't sell other people's things. They ask me all the time to sell things for them. I have a good relationship with Gabe, and Gabe is very well known in the industry, and he's a very good guy. Him and his team, I trust all of them, okay? And I don't sell other people's things. You don't see me selling other people's things. There's a reason why I'm selling, because this is too good to pass up. I have to show you guys this. I'd be stupid not to show you. I'd be an ass not to show you. And you'd be an ass not to get it. Right. Links below, you have until Friday at midnight. I hope you're ready for Christmas. That's all I can say. I hope you're ready for Christmas. Keep hustling, gang. I'll see you at the top. Especially 2020.
And it's only right I say I'm out. Yeah. Shark Tank is probably